Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn a PDF into a booklet brochure using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select and Merge Pages option. And here you can change the page orientation and custom size and this page margin. Now I will select all page and select here booklet format. Now select here brochure option and you can bind it right bind and this left bind and this is preview. Also we select OK and see this our booklet brochure from already created, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.